What's up guys, it is Warren here from Blue Cloud Creation X, and today we have a bigger C# tutorial in which I am going to show you how to use coroutines. So basically what a coroutine is, it is a method that yields for a certain amount of time for the instructions that you give it, and then it executes the rest of the code after the instruction is complete. So let's get into it so I can show you it really quickly. It's going to be a pretty short tutorial. So in our previous tutorial we had about shooter, and remember he used to shoot lasers. I increased the projectile speed to 10 so it's much faster than it was. So you can check this tutorial in the previous video. But in this tutorial I'm quickly going to go over coroutines, and maybe in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use it in this Unity tutorial. So we can, because if you see this tutorial here, in the previous tutorial if we hold down space, you'll just shoot one. So we can multi-fire using a coroutine. But I'm just going to show you how to use it in this tutorial. So let's go into our shooter. And I'm going to look into my update method. So I'm going to call it in my start method. So I'm going to call the method, I'm going to say start coroutine. I really need to fix this auto completion. Seems like it's giving me a big problem. Let me fix the size of this. So the method that I'm going to call is I'm going to call it wait 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay. And now we need to create the method. And what we're going to do to make this an actual coroutine is to use the I enumerator. Use the I enumerator. So this will return a yielding this will return a yield value. So what's going to happen now is the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to debug.log. I'm just going to show you how to use this. So debug.log, I'm going to say I am going for 10 seconds, and then I'm going to use yield return new wait 4 seconds. So this yield will return the amount of time that this function will create, the amount of seconds, and then we will return the amount of seconds that we need to wait for, and then we'll come back into this function. So I'm going to explain the function just now. So we're going to wait for 10 seconds, and then I'm just going to say I'm back. So on start, so this is what's going to happen on start. We're going to start our coroutine, which is this function. And so when we get into this function, it's going to print out, I'm going to wait for 10 seconds, and then it's going to return this value here. So it's going to store this, and once this once this 10 seconds is over, so during the 10 seconds it's going to go through the code and do whatever it needs to do, all the other functionality, and then after it's done, like an interrupt, it comes back into this function and executes the statement. So if we run this code, you will see that in the console it will start. Okay, we're just waiting. Going to our console. I'm going to wait for 10 seconds. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and it's back. So guys, that's it for the tutorial. I just wanted to show you how to use coroutines. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you all that while this while our button is down, with this coroutine will continuously run a function, and it will stop the coroutine when we have a different input, but I'll explain in the next tutorial. That's it for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, hit like, and you can play my first game in the description from the Play Store. I'll leave a link. You can join our Discord server, and you can follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.